Anais Nin wrote, "We see things as we are, not as they are." When I'm watching Yellow Jackets, I'm seeing it not the way my 22-year-old stepson sees it. My view is filled with nostalgia for being a teen in the 90s. I hear the soundtrack and I'm brought back to that time in my life. My stepson sees something very different. Never forget this rule when you're writing copy, particularly when you're explaining features. It may seem that a feature is just very functional. X feature does X, Y feature does Y, but that's not the case. X feature does X times A, where A equals your prospect's life, their demands, their past experiences using that kind of feature, their hopes, their fears of failure, everything they are, not everything the feature is. Imagine you're writing copy to sell an SUV to a busy dad. One of the features is an AMG engine, and that's an engine with all kinds of power. You think, oh, this is a man who wants to buy a Mercedes SUV. He wants to feel powerful and in control, but also a sort of like youthfulness of passing other SUVs on the highway at incredible speeds that come out of nowhere. That assumption could hurt you. How does this busy dad see that feature, the AMG engine? Think of his life. Does it remind him of the need for speed that maybe he used to have? And is that a good thing when it comes to getting him to buy this SUV now? Think of his family. His son just turned 16. He's going to be borrowing the car. Could this engine get his son into trouble? The dad sees the feature as the dad is, not as the feature is. Practically, this lesson should reinforce for you the need to know the person you're selling to extremely well. But I also hope that you keep it in mind when you write either very short copy or very long copy. So very short copy tends to cut all the color and shine that help a prospect see themselves in your copy. And very long copy can actually add in messages that make the prospect more nervous about the purchase and how it will affect their life. Every feature, every benefit, and every outcome should be shaped by the person you are writing for. This is an argument against templated messaging and even in some cases against message maps. See your prospect fully first. Sit in their life. Really push yourself through their experience in order to help them see the feature as they are, not simply as it is. And then write the copy with empathy.